Hi, my name is Eric Anderson. This is I believe it's my 11th video. Uh, the date is September 6th, and it's about 8:06 a.m. Like I said, I've already done approximately 10 videos before this one. And today, I just wanted to show you, not for like bragging purposes or anything like that, but to show you that sometimes you'll buy products or something and you won't be satisfied with them. For instance, this right here. This, I believe, is a Logitech Z680. The deal with this, I really like it. I always have. There was just it didn't seem to have enough power, the oomph that I wanted out of it. Before, it came with the 8-inch speaker, and it was about 1 foot high by 1 foot wide by 1 foot deep, and it didn't have that kind of boom that I wanted. So I decided to amp it up a bit, and just to show you, this is a subwoofer, I believe, from the late 80s or early 90s, and it's you can actually see through it. So I wanted to put lights and stuff behind it too. When the bass bumped or whatever, it would change not only change colors, but turn on lights in behind it. I wanted to make it look pretty cool and stuff like that. But I believe I found this particular subwoofer at either a Goodwill or a Savers or something like that, or maybe even someone's items that they were throwing off, leaving out of their house to, like, for free, free take, you know what I mean? And I like to repurpose stuff like that if I find some nice stuff. And it seems like when I came across them, one of them was blown, so I actually threw that out, and then ended up keeping the other subwoofer, and this is why. Mind you, when I took this thing apart and stuff like that, there's a coil inside that has all this pretty complicated wiring that went to like I said, an 8-inch subwoofer. And so you got to write down what they're connected to and stuff like that. And the only problem that I've seen with this is that other than the obvious, is that there was the coil that had a certain frequency range, I guess, that it was a passive, I believe, a passive crossover, not crossover, but like a filter. So essentially it filters out a certain frequency, seems like. And this particular subwoofer has a totally different frequency than an 8-inch subwoofer, apparently. So I don't know. I don't notice it. I hook it up and it sounds it actually has some bass now. But the theme of it was I wanted I made it out of 3/4 inch medite, and essentially spray painted it to where it's a metallic silver, as you can see. And I just wanted something functional. And this particular system is supposedly they call it a 5-1. It has a center speaker and 4 outside speakers. It's a surround sound, and then it has a subwoofer. So anyways, I just refabricated it and kept it as stock as possible, essentially. And it works really good. It doesn't really heat up or anything like that. It gets a little warm, but It performs really good, and it's got that bass that I wanted. The whole purpose that I built this thing, and but this whole video is just to show you how you can, it's got a remote and stuff like that. It's a digital, you can. It's got fiber optics. And the purpose of this video is to show you how, sometimes you can repurpose something that you may not be totally satisfied with and make it better. It just took a little bit of time and patience and, drawing out certain things and hoping they don't impede with another. And you got to be kind of mindful of that. And just, this is the final outcome. And, it's really pretty heavy, but it sounds really good. So anyways, my name is Eric Anderson, and I'd like to do some more videos about this kind of stuff. I just like to show people how they can think of things differently, or essentially solutions and stuff like that to problems, or things like that. But anyways, like I said before, I have about 10 videos before this one, and if you will, try to view them and leave comments, and if you'd like, and definitely hit the like button, and subscribe to my channel if you can. And I'm going to keep hopefully putting out these videos to kind of help people and show what I've done in the past to kind of change things. So but hope to see you soon. Thanks again for listening. Have a good one.